Halo Ben, hola.
Tudo bem?
Bom dia, oh, como está?
Tudo bem.
Tudo bem? For Portuguese. Oh, hello. Oh, we are a nudist family. Welcome our project. How?
Welcome our channel.
Our
And
channel.
welcome
Oh.
not Patreon.
Welcome our
Our life.
welcome our patron. Mila naturist family is always very interesting.
And very big project.
Big project. We have
Underwater films, beaches, fishing.
underwater
Nature.
films. Underwater films. Beautiful Adriatic Sea.
A lot of fish.
And our home video. Not our nudist home video. Okay.
Today we're cooking sweet buns.
Sweet buns. Do you like sweet buns?
Yeah, it's family recipe.
Oh, your grandmother.
Yeah.
Oh, your grandmother's.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay. Do you have sugar?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Buns with butter and with sugar. Wow. Okay. Our Machka.
Gato.
Our Simba. Simba. Иди. 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 Oh. Okay. This is our cat. It's a big cat and very kind. Simba, sit. Super. Super cat. Sit near the table and looked at the camera.
Superstar.
Superstar. We have superstar. Nice cat. Write comments. Do you have pets? Do you like pets? Do you have a dog or cat? We have one.
Another pets.
We have one. It's a big, super big. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Mm-hmm. Big.
big bag. Big for you? That's the moment. What is it? Do you like naturism and nudism? Write your comment. Yes or no? Write your comment. We live in Montenegro. It's a very big, beautiful. Oh no, big, beautiful country.
Small but beautiful.
Small but beautiful. A lot of mountains.
Okay.
Mountains. Mountains. I don't speak English very well.
East.
Montenegro have a lot of nude beaches.
And big resort at the Bayana.
But yeah, go to beach. I don't know. Go to Azerbaijan. Oh. The summer is very hot. Really hot, really hot.
38, 42 degrees.
Degrees, 42. The weather is hot. Add eggs. Okay. But winter is not cold. Degrees 15, 20,
Sometimes 25.
sometimes 25. Super. Hmm? Okay. Okay. Oh.
And wait 15 minutes or 20.
Čekam.
Čekamo.
Čekamo 20 minut.
Srpski jezik.
Già come fa 10 minuter. Huh? Oh, so bad. Delicious buns. So bad. Bon appetit!
Enjoy meal.
Oh, welcome to our Patreon.
Bye.
Bye.